A brother says, can jinn commit intimacy with a woman when the husband does not say the prior dua? Can a jinn make her pregnant? Can the jinn have intimacy? This is from the unseen, when we have no evidence from the Quran or from the Sunnah that backs it up. There is a quote that Imam Mujahid says, this is possible, but this is not from the Quran or the Sunnah, and he's not from the companions to give that verdict of his or opinion of his any verification or any strength. Can a jinn make her pregnant? The answer is definitely not. This is totally not possible. They are two different species, and that would open the door for any woman to come and after fornicating or committing adultery, she's pregnant, she says, well, a jinn impregnated her. This is not acceptable. Now the dua is Bismillah, Allahumma jannibna shaitan wa jannib shaitan ma razaqtana, that a man says before being intimate with his wife. So this is the most authentic opinion, and Allah Azza wa Jalla knows best.